The Counsels of the Bird, a poetic exploration that imparts wisdom through nature's voice, emphasizing spiritual growth and interconnectedness among all beings. The poem shows the importance of letting go of the past and focuses on the present, teaching acceptance over grief. This reflects about acceptance and focusing on the present, encouraging us to learn from their experiences rather than dwell on them. The poem encourages us not to waste our efforts on those who do not appreciate it. The poem shares important lessons about life and wisdom through the story of a bird giving advice. The bird talks about understanding the deeper meanings of life, love, and connection between people. The bird encourages us to look beyond surface appearances and seek deeper understanding, reminding us to think for ourselves instead of others. It also shows the importance of love and compassion.